Hello, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to send a message to someone on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen tap this letter icon. This is basically your messages section, and you have to tap new message button that usually looks like a plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now we want to search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. So from the list of options that appears on your screen, you have to select specific person that you want to DM, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. Finally, you can type your message in this text box, and when you're ready to send it, just hit send button that looks like paper plane icon. So that's basically how you can send a message to someone on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.